All right, well, swapping out the front headlights on my '04 Dodge Ram. Real basic. So a lot of vehicles seem like they're making it harder and harder to do any of your own maintenance on them. So typically you would be able to reach down on the backside and here, so you don't have to pull out the assembly. But on these newer cars, they like to make it as complicated as possible. Gonna focus. So this little piece right here is what has to come out. So but it's attached to the back, so it's got to pop out this way. So what you got to do is loosen this bolt, and I don't know if you can really see, but there's one right in here. So right at the back, look under. Get my finger back out of there. Oh, it's right back in there. It's not showing up, but so what you gotta do, you gotta get those three, and then this little one right here, and then this whole piece will pull out like that. So these right here for my truck, they are the Star T30.